Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm sure you'd have heard the word cholesterol before, but what exactly does cholesterol mean? Let's find out. What is cholesterol? Cholesterol is a waxy fat-like substance that's found in all the cells in your body. Its main function is to maintain the resistance and fluidity of cell membranes and to serve as a precursor for the synthesis of substances that are vital for the organism, including steroid hormones, bile acids, and vitamin D. Liver makes enough cholesterol to meet your body's needs for these important functions. Types of cholesterol. Low density lipoprotein LDL is one of the two main lipoproteins. LDL is often called the bad cholesterol. High density lipoprotein HDL is the other main lipoprotein. HDL often called as the good cholesterol. Very low density lipoproteins VLDL are particles in the blood that carry triglycerides. Total cholesterol is the combined amount of low density lipoprotein LDL cholesterol and high density lipoprotein HDL cholesterol in your blood. What are lipoproteins? Lipoproteins are substances made of protein and fat that carry cholesterol through your bloodstream. What is low density lipoprotein LDL? LDL, also known as low density lipoprotein, bad cholesterol, is a tiny blob made up of an outer rim of lipoprotein with a cholesterol center. It narrows the arteries and increases the risk for heart attack, stroke, and peripheral artery disease. PAD. What is high density lipoprotein? HDL. HDL, also known as high density lipoprotein, good cholesterol, is a microscopic blob that contains a rim of lipoprotein surrounding a cholesterol center. HDL picks up excess cholesterol in your blood and takes it back to your liver where it's broken down and removed from your body. High levels of HDL cholesterol can lower your risk for heart disease and stroke. Causes of high LDL cholesterol. There are certain factors that cause high LDL cholesterol. Obesity. Obesity causes the body to make too many triglycerides that can lead to higher levels of increased cholesterol. Eating a diet high in saturated fat, for example, fatty meat like lamb, processed meat like sausages, desserts, oils, cheese, milk, butter, and chocolate. Inactivity. Staying inactive for a long period of time causes accumulation of fat in our body. Medical conditions: diabetes, kidney, and fatty liver disease. Smoking. Smoking makes your LDL cholesterol, the bad kind, stickier so it clings to your artery walls and clogs them up. Menopause. Decrease in the female hormone. Estrogen are associated with a rise in cholesterol levels due to higher amounts of low density lipoprotein LDL production. Genetics. Familial hypercholesterolemia FH is an inherited form of high cholesterol. Foods high in cholesterol. Cholesterol is found mainly in organ meats, mutton, beef, pork, cheese, margarine, fried foods like french fries and nuggets, processed foods like sausage and hot dogs, tinned and canned foods and ice cream made of full fat milk. Comparing cholesterol content in meats. Since cholesterol are found greatly in meats, pork has the highest cholesterol content followed by beef. Goats have a high content of saturated fat but a decent amount of cholesterol, followed by lower cholesterol content in chicken, fish, and eggs. Saturated fats are simply fat molecules that have no double bonds between carbon atoms because they are saturated with the hydrogen atoms. They are typically solid at room temperature. Foods low in cholesterol. Plant foods or certain meat like chicken and turkey without skin and fish usually contain less than 1 milligram of cholesterol per 100 gram serving, which is insignificant for human nutrition and health. Plant foods deliver soluble fiber which binds cholesterol and its precursors in the digestive system and drags them out of the body before they get into the circulation, therefore preventing any artery clogs that causes heart related diseases. Here are some healthy ways to lower your cholesterol. Certain lifestyle and dietary changes can reduce LDL levels and create a more favorable LDL to HDL ratio. Here are healthy, evidence-based ways to lower cholesterol levels. Limit the amount of animal fats like beef and pork and use good fats like fish and nuts in moderation. Eat a diet that emphasizes fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Maintain a healthy body weight. Quit smoking. Exercise for at least 30 minutes. Cycling, walking, cardio, high intensity interval training. Quit alcohol. When you drink alcohol, it's broken down and rebuilt into triglycerides and cholesterol in the liver, which raises the cholesterol in your blood. Manage stress. High levels of cortisol from long term stress can cause high blood cholesterol, which build up in your arteries, causing them to become clogged and hard. Here are the cholesterol risk guidelines. The cholesterol levels and their category under how they could be considered as. If the cholesterol level is less than 200 mg per dl, it is said to be desirable. If it is 200 to 239 mg per dl, it is considered as borderline high. If the cholesterol level is 240 mg per dl and above that, it is considered as a high cholesterol level. Here are the LDL cholesterol levels and its categories. If it is less than 100 mg per dl, it is said to be optimal. If it is 100 to 129 mg per dl, it is near optimal or above optimal. If it is 130 to 159 mg per dl, it is considered as borderline high. If it is 160 to 189 mg per dl, it is said to be high. But if it is 190 mg per dl and above that, it is very high. A very high bad cholesterol level is bad for health. Now let us see the HDL and how it is categorized as. If the HDL good cholesterol level is less than 40 mg per dl, there is a major risk factor for heart disease. If it is 40 to 59 mg per dl, the higher the better. If it is 60 mg per dl and higher, it is considered to be protective against heart diseases. It is better not to get on the bad side of the cholesterol levels. Here are some of the websites and sources that you can use as references to know more about good cholesterol and bad cholesterol and its effects on human health. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. See you on the next video. Until then, stay informed and stay healthy.